Today I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, and delete elements in Weebly. This is essential for customizing your website and making it look exactly the way you want, so let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites. Now look at the left side menu and you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it, and underneath that option, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click Edit Site to proceed. This will take you to a page where you can choose which website you want to work on. Select the website you'd like to edit from the list. Once you've selected your site, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see an Edit button right there. Click on it, and this will open up the editor page for your website. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be able to add, modify, and remove elements. When you're in the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab at the top menu. This is important because the Build section is where you'll find all the tools and elements you need to design your site. Now focus your attention on the left side menu. This menu displays all the elements that are available for you to use on your website, things like text boxes, images, buttons, forms, and much more. Adding an element to your website is incredibly simple. Just click on the element you want from the left side menu and drag it directly onto your website where you want it to appear. It's a drag and drop system, so it's very intuitive and straightforward. Now, if you want to edit an element, all you need to do is click directly on it. Once you click the element, editing options will appear, allowing you to change text, adjust settings, upload different images, or modify colors and styles depending on what type of element it is. Finally, if you decide you no longer want an element on your page, deleting it is just as easy. Simply hover your cursor over the element you want to remove. When you do this, an X button will appear, usually in the corner of the element. Click that X button, and the element will be deleted from your page instantly. And there you have it. You now know how to add, edit, and delete elements in Weebly, giving you full control over your website's design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.